Hey guys, it's Arcade and I'm back with another video, and today we are gonna turn jazz into EDM. Yeah, we're gonna do the unspeakable. Anyways, the song I chose is called The Crave by Jelly Roll Morton, and I'm gonna be using the version from the movie The Legend of 1900. Great movie, by the way. If you haven't seen it, I definitely recommend it. That being said, let's get started with the song. So first I wanna show you the original, which can seem a little bit scary, because it's jazz. That's how it goes. By the way, the artist, he made jazz and ragtime, but I would say this song is jazz. So let me show you the original song in case you don't know it, and then I'm gonna show you how I turned it into EDM. Kind of turned it into future bounce, future house, something like that. So yeah, here's the original. You get the idea. It's a pretty crazy song, really hard to play on the piano, and it's also really awesome. So that's why I chose it. And now I'm gonna show you how to turn it into future bounce. So the first thing I did is change the BPM to 126 because that's what I was going for with house music. So then the piano sounds something like this. So that's the original piano, right? But I had to turn it into something more house style. So here is what I did. So instead of having this, I turn it into this. As you can hear, I left those roll notes because they were really awesome, but changed up the rhythm a little bit so it works as a dance song. Then I added the bass notes. We have our house piano ready. I also added this distorted brass, just so we have more of those harsh frequencies. So that's the first part of the song. That's the chords, essentially. Then we have the drums, which are really simple. We have the kick, the claps, and then also this hi-hat loop. And in the second part, I changed up the drums, added different hi-hats, and added this white noise. And that's it for the drums. So now we have the piano and the drums. But what about the melody? So the melody in the original sounds like this. So how do you change it into future bounce? Really simple. So from that piano, I changed it to this lead. I even kept some of the harmonies, which result in this distorted lead sound, which I kind of liked. So yeah, the melody is really close to the original, which I liked. And then I layered it with some more lead sounds. And this bell sound. And the next thing I did is added this offbeat chord. which actually ties the whole song together and makes it more bouncy. Here's it with the melody. And that is our main melody, ready to go. The last thing I did is added some fills and stuff like that, where the piano comes back in. Just so we keep the original song in there from time to time. And in the last part, I just went with the piano playing throughout the whole thing. I also added some fills to create a build-up and some sweeps as well. Another fill here. And throughout the whole drop, there's a white noise in the background, which slowly fades. Also in the second part of the drop, where the melodies come back on, I changed the rhythm of the bass slightly. That actually helps to create that drive in the song and make it more groovy. So yeah, when we tie it all together, we have the finished result. Here it is. Enjoy. And yeah guys, there you have it. That is the full song. This was a really fun project. Let me know what you think. I think this was a really fun project. And don't take it too seriously, you know. Some people actually get mad when I turn any classical music into EDM. But it's all just for fun, so yeah. Anyways, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe to see more videos like this one or more tutorial videos as well. And I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.